Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get always on display in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you are using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to use always on display, so let's see how can you do that. So unfortunately in your phone there's no any built-in always on display in your settings. So you have to go to your settings here and lock screen. Here you can see there's no any AOD or always on display. So let's see how can you get this. You can still use always on display by installing a third-party app. You have to simply open your Play Store. Now once you are in Play Store, go to search and here just simply search for movies at. Just simply search for this. Once you have searched, you might get this app here. Just click on install and just wait for until the app installs on your phone. So after installation, you have to open the app. Now once you are in app, you might see there's a draw our apps option. You have to click on it and give it permission to draw our other apps. So let's say here's you might see movie that you have to enable this toggle to give him permission. Once you have give the permission, you have to look for AOD here. You can also use light edge like this. You can also use AOD, or you have some settings of this app. I'm gonna select AOD from here and just set the AOD you want to set as your own. So let's say I'm gonna select this one. Click on this drive free. If you want to get subscriptions, you can also get that. But if you choose free, you might see a 30-second app. You have to wait for until the ad complete. Now, once your ad has been completed, your AOD will be automatically set up to your phone. So in this way, you can easily set AOD or always on display in your Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.